What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one, I have the door seal kit from a company called SAILEAD. I will have a link in the description below. Make sure you watch to the end of the video and I will give you my opinion on how well this product works. This one is similar to the base door seal video I did a few weeks ago, and I'll have a link to that one as well. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright, so there are numbers. So this is 3, 2, 4, I guess the last one is 1. And then they give you this sheet of paper here, which gives you exact installation instructions. So clean the surface, tear the tape, paste and press. And they give you 1, 2, 3, 4. So pretty good, nice and easy to follow. Oh, there's cut excessive material, finish. And they even have a video for installation. So that's kind of cool. So let's go outside and let's give it an install. Alright, so we are starting off with number 1, which is the driver's side door. The installation process should be the same. On the last video I did the noise, I did a noise test inside the car driving. And I will do one again after we get this installed, but I already have a base number from my last video, and I'm going to use that as the base number for this video as well to see if it makes a major difference. I do know that these door seal kits are good at reducing debris and dust and things like that that go inside your car, so just for that sake, just for that fact, it is worth having. And hopefully this one also reduces the door noise when you're closing it. So let's get this first one installed, nice time lapse here, and then we will be back with the next piece. Alright, so we are working on number 2 now, and if you follow the diagram, it's really easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's really interesting about this one is, if you look at the packaging, they put both number 2s in one bag, so there's less waste. And I mean, you can just take the second one, throw it back in the bag until you go around to the other side of your car. I am installing it, number 1, and then number 1 on this side, and then I'm just going back and forth, just to make the installation process a little bit easier. But yeah, once again, I will do a time lapse of the installation here. Alright, so now we're on to part 3 of the install. So this is the bottom part of the trim. After the time-lapse of this install, I want to show you the difference between this door seal and the base door one. That's the one I did in my last video. There is a substantial difference. I also think the installation of this might be a little bit easier, just because it is in sections, and it seems to be working out really, really well, rather than like one continuous piece. But yeah, you can see the install here of piece number 3. So alright, so here you can see the base NAR one. It's just like a flat, thin strip, and I will flip back and I'll show you the new one right now. By comparison, here's the new one. You can see it's like actually molded to fit on. It looks more stock. It compares more to these, so it's actually looks like it's designed to be there. And then even the piece that goes down the bottom, it has like a cushiony aspect where it's like, I don't know, it just molded differently. It looks really nice when it's on in comparison, because you can see this looks like more factory than the other one, which is just more like a flat piece. So I did this in the last video as well, and I really like this. So when you close the doors, and this door here does not have it, the front one does, it is a smoother, quieter close, and hopefully it comes up in the video that you guys can hear exactly what I'm hearing. So it's definitely noticeable. Alright, so we're installing the last and final piece. It is the back door. It is one continuous piece, so unlike the front, it goes all the way around. It's not in sections, which is the first interesting thing to note. The other thing too is it is thicker like the bottom front door, whereas the sides of the front door are a little bit thinner. I'm not sure why they've done it like this. They have to have a good reason, but again, I'm not sure. Alright, so in the last video I did with this, the baseline that it should sit at is like the high 50s, low 60s. So you guys can see here, I'll stop talking and you guys can see if it makes a difference. So I think the number is roughly the same. Again, these are not the most accurate decimal readers you're going to have, right? So this is a phone app. I think just me listening to it, I hear a slight difference. Again, this product is good just to keep out dust and dirt and things like that. But in terms of like noise, at least from the app, it doesn't show a noticeable difference. That's like right up against the door seal now, and yeah, it jumps up a little bit higher, but it's not a noticeable difference on the app. But I think for just driving in it, you can hear a slight difference. But anyway, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this product. Do you have the base number one? Do you have this one? Or do you have a different door seal? Do you notice a difference yourself? Make sure you guys leave a like on the video, especially if you've made it this far. Do subscribe for the latest and greatest Tesla content. And as always, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.